Welcome back to another episode of On Cap Capital Accumulation Plan, where we discuss money, news, investing, and what the rich and famous are doing to steadily grow their generational wealth, and what you can do to hop on the gravy train so you don't get left behind. Let's run it. It's your boy OC the Plug. Let me plug you in. So today I'm going to give you guys a client story, but for privacy I'm going to change the names and the details. Okay, so let me introduce you guys to, let's call her Sarah. She's a single mother living in North York, Ontario, raising two energetic boys who attend local public school. Life has never been simple for her. As a nurse, Sarah often worked long hours, unpredictable shifts. When her mother and auntie couldn't help out take care of the kids, daycare ended up being her only option. Unfortunately, the bills started to pile up. For years, Sarah felt like she was barely keeping her head above water. Rent, groceries, school supplies, daycare fees, unexpected expenses left little room for her kids' futures. She still never stopped hoping to give them the opportunities for herself that she never had. Her oldest son is passionate about basketball. His dream is to become an NBA player, right? Her youngest, he's fascinated with buildings and designs and already talks about becoming a world-famous architect. Sarah wanted to support both dreams, but she just didn't know how. That changed the day Sarah sat down with the right financial advisor. Myself. I showed Sarah how a universal life policies could do more than just provide protection in the case of tragedy. They could be a living, growing financial foundation for her boy's future. She decided to take out the policies for both sons, contributing just $150 per month each. With the compounding returns of about 14% annually, these plans aren't just sitting there, they're actually building wealth. Now Sarah has an option she never thought possible. Let's start with athletics. She can now borrow against the policies to pay for elite basketball coaches, travel overseas tournaments, and all that good stuff. Entrepreneurship. If her boys want to start a business, the policies will provide that capital. Health and protection. With a critical illness rider, Sarah knows that if anything is to happen to her kids, there's a substantial payout to cover medical and family needs. Generational wealth. These policies carry a 7-figure death benefit, ensuring her children and her children are taken care of for generations. Most importantly, these policies are transferable. As her boys grow older, they can take over the premiums themselves, contributing to building on the foundation that their mom created for them so long ago. For Sarah, this wasn't just a financial decision. It was an emotional breakthrough. She said she finally feels like she's giving her boys what she always dreamed of, a future without limits. The stress that once weighed on her, worrying about tuition, travel opportunities, has all been replaced with peace of mind and pride. What really touched my heart, Sarah told me she's no longer just surviving. Now she set her kids up to thrive. For a single mom who once struggled just to make ends meet, this plan has brought joy, relief, and hope. Sarah no longer feels like life is happening to her. She finally feels like she's in control, building wealth and stability for her family. So if you see yourself in Sarah's story, or if you've ever worried about how to set your kids up for success, it's time to act. Don't wait until it feels easier to start. The best time to set up generational wealth was yesterday. The second best time to set up generational wealth is today. So book a free strategy session with me. I'll design a plan that gives your family the future they deserve. And also, you guys can download my free ebook, Secrets the Banks Hope You Never Find Out. It shows all the strategies, breakdowns on how the banks are setting up things just to keep you guys in poverty. Alright? Once again, it's your boy OC the Plug. This is another episode of On Cap, that capital accumulation plan. And if you guys enjoyed that story, go watch my next video. Take care.